All right. Hey, dog friends. So I've got Grizz here, my little cute little potato, and we're working on desensitization training. So just getting him used to touching. And this is helpful for preparation for vet care, for brushing their teeth, just for having a dog who is overall chill with and being okay with you messing with them, essentially. You never know when they may have an ear infection and you've got to get in that ear and put some whatever in there. So this is just going to help prepare them for occasions where you do need to mess with them. So we've done some training on this before. So he's very chill. You can see he's not pulling away. But if you did have a dog who was doing a lot of pulling away, you just kind of stop and then wait for them to chill for a second, and then we're just going to mark and reward when you see them nice and chill. That is the ultimate goal. So again, we're flipping ears. He doesn't love that noise, so yes, good job. Again, we're just marking and rewarding when we see calm and relax. So if they pull away, stop, and then just start again. Do the other ear. Yes, good boy. Very nice. Good job, my love. All around the head, around the eyeballs. Be gentle, obviously, but we're touching eyeballs, getting them used to it. Yes, good job. Leave it. Yes, good, leave it. Good job, sir. Touch that chinnies, chesties, legs, got them elbows and pits. Little wristies between the tobies. This will help prep for nail trimmings. Yes, good job, dude. Awesome. Do the same thing on the other foot, and the elbows and the chesties. He doesn't like that side as much. There you go. Yes, good job. How can you let me touch on that side? Okay, and then we've also got the lips. You can lift up those gums, yes, or lift up those the cheeks. This is the gum. These are the cheeks. But you also just kind of want to lift it up and then touch the teeth. Yes. Good job. Lift it up on this side and touch the teeth. Touch the gums. Yes. Good job. Very nice. Lift it up. Touch the stuff. Yes, good job, sir. That's so nice. Stand. Yes. Good stand. You can also mess with the back and the rear. Come here. Stand. Come on. Stand. Yes, good job. Touch all this stuff, and the undercarriage, the knees, and the back feet. Yes. Good job. Very nice. So just touch them all over. Get them comfortable. Leave it. Yes. With you messing with them. It's going to make your vet experiences so much easier. It's going to make your teeth brushing so much easier. Just getting in there and yes, good boy. Brushing those teeth, and you're just going to have an overall happier dog, a more content dog, because they're used to this. They're not fearful. They're not trying to pull away, especially in the moments where it really matters, and when maybe they're not feeling so good and they have an ear infection. You help desensitize them and prepare them for scenarios that may arise, and especially again when they're not feeling well. This is going to help prepare them for, okay, I've done this before. It's not a big deal. I trust my human, and at the end, yes, I'll also get rewarded for being a good boy or girl. Right, dude? Good job. That's so impressive. That's so impressive. Yippee. Good job.